Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are hopping straight into this video reviewing this wig that was sent to me from Bellami Hair. This is their eye candy unit. It's in the collaboration with Tokyo Stylez. So this is everything that comes in the box that you're gonna get. A hair cap, of course we need those. You have a wig stand. You also have a brush. I love these brushes, and this is the wig itself. And here is a storage bag for your wig, which is silk. So I'm gonna start off by pulling my cap down as far as I can. I can't put it over my lashes because my lashes are pretty big. So now I'm just gonna cut my ears out and kind of swoop it around my ear so that it's like perfectly aligned. Don't cut the hole too big. You want it to be like literally perfect just for your ear to fit through. So of course we're gonna do that to the same sides, and we are going to go ahead and spray down our freeze spray. Everybody uses this spray, I swear. It's like the best thing ever. So I used to use the Got To Be gel and the spray. So now I'll only use the spray. But you guys can use whatever you like. So yeah, I'm just going to do it in sections because I like to like strictly follow my hairline and just not have like a straight up scalp. So I do it by sections, and then I just finesse it in with my finger, and I like to let it air dry. If I am rushing, I would use a blow dryer on low temperature, like cool. And this is the wig. I absolutely love it. I'm so happy that I got this color. It's so cute and like highlighted. It gives me like a major Spanish feeling. So as you guys can see, this is how the wig is constructed. It does have two combs on the sides, and it also has a comb in the back of the nape area so that you can secure the wig to your head. But this cap is very well fitted. Like, I think this is a medium cap size, and it fits my head so snug that I don't even like need the combs. That's how well it fits. So I'm just going to go in with some foundation, and I'm going to apply this to the wig cap to make it look more of a natural scalp, because my scalp is obviously not that color. So I'm just going to use my foundation. As you guys can see, it like literally matches my head now, and that's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead with my scissors, and I'm going to cut down the middle. I like to cut my cap in sections so that it's like literally in sync with my natural hairline. So everything looks like super well put together. So then I'm just going to continue to pull up on the cap slightly and cut as close as I can to my head without actually cutting my head. After doing this like so many times, you get used to it. I have nicked myself a few times, but now I do this all the time, so I'm used to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to go around and cut out my natural hairline. As you guys can see, it looks super natural. I love the way this, oh look guys, I got magic powder. I love the way the cap like flows on my head. It looks so natural. So then I'm gonna go in with the same foundation, and I'm going to put that on the cap on my head, and then I'm gonna just like wipe around and clean any makeup that's right there on my forehead, where I'm going to be putting this bold hold glue to secure the wig. You guys, I have so many different lace wig glues. It's crazy, but I feel like they're all the same. It's just they probably get it from the same manufacturer and they just change the name on the label. We know how these companies roll. So yeah, I'm just applying this along my hairline, and then I'm just going to go in. I usually use the rat tail comb, and I go ahead and spread the glue out a little bit, like drag it a little bit back, and then I also let this hair like air dry. And you want to wait until it turns transparent, because if you put the wig on when it's white, then you're gonna see like white through your wig, through the lace. You're gonna be able to see white, and we don't want that. So now, as you guys can see, I cut my wig lace in sections, so it's pretty much 3 sections, the 2 sides and the middle. I'm just going to pull and drag that hairline to match up with the cap. I swear this wig came out so pretty. I'm actually using my comb hair to like flatten down the hair, But I would normally use a rat tail comb. I just didn't know where my comb was. As you guys can see, that is a new setup where I'm sitting. It's downstairs, and I'm just getting things back into the flow because I recently moved, so I gotta get my whole setup back together. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off any of the excess lace around my ears. One thing that bothers me when wearing a wig is that if the lace is like touching my ear, or if the wig is touching my ear and it's not properly sized around my ear, that will aggravate me so much, and I would just like end up taking the whole entire wig off. So yeah, for me, ear sizing is super important. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace from the wig. As you guys can see, I'm doing like zigzagging motions. That's so it won't look like a straight up hairline. We do not want the hairline to be straight. We want it to look as natural as possible. So that's why I cut in like swiggly. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and create some baby hairs. This wig does not come with baby hairs. You're gonna have to create that yourself. So I just went ahead and pulled out a few strands of hair, not too thick. The thinner the better because it looks more natural. No one has thick ass baby hairs, so yeah, we want it to be as thin as possible. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that, and this is what I'm gonna be cutting. I like to cut it in a slant so that when I swoop it, it's easier and it just flows better that way. So each side I do it slanted according to that direction of like the hair. I'm pretty sure it makes sense to you guys. So then I'm gonna go ahead in with some hair gel. I'm not sure what you guys use for your baby hair, but whatever you use to layer baby hairs, you're gonna go in with that and just start swooping those baby hairs and make sure everything just flows together. I love the way this wig came out, guys. Like the color, I don't know, I just love the way this color looks on my skin complexion. I really like this hair. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Such a beautiful color. It gives me kind of like the salon feel, like the salon look. You know how when you go to the salon, you get your highlights and you get the curls and get your swoops. That's what this wig gives me. I love this wig. As I'm doing this voiceover, I'm going to install this wig today to use it again because I love it. So I would definitely recommend it to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to use my code if you're interested in purchasing, which is PINKPOSH. Bye, guys.